Good day, sir. This is my performance task about explaining the traffic signs. So, first is the stop sign. So, amo yan stop sign. Regulatory, octagon, and red, white. And meaning nga ini is to must come to full halt or mo stop cow. So, ang right action ini is to stop behind the line and proceed only when it's clear. So next is the yield sign or give way. So ini regulatory and inverted triangle. So ang meaning na ini is let others go first, and the right action is to slow down, stop if needed, and yield right of way. So next is the speed limit 40 kilometers per hour. So amo ini siya. So regulatory meaning is amo din yan imo max allowed speed 40 kilometers per hour. So an action is drive at or below non 40 kilometers per hour. So next is a no entry sign. So amo ini. Regulatory gapon, red circle o white bar. So ang meaning ini is an road is closed or sirado ang agihan. So an action is do not enter or and find nan alternate route or lain na agihan. So next is an school zone sign. Warning. Yellow diamond yon siya dapat. Yan, amen siya. So meaning is ang children and pedestrians is ahead or muagi or yang kadapit sa school. So ang right action ini is to slow down and watch for kids. So next sign is an curve ahead. So I mean siya an curve ahead. Meaning na nini is paliko ang agihan or road mo turn siya soon. So ang right action is to reduce speed o hold steady. Next is an pedestrian crossing. Amo niyan pedestrian crossing. Yun. So kung ano siya, meaning is ang people ipakross na nimo or ang people mo cross siya ahead. So an action ini is to dapat mag-slow na ka or nahinay o ready to stop. Next is the one-way traffic sign. So ini one-way. So kuan ini siya, ang meaning is ang traffic ga flow nan single direction or ang agian ang masakyanan isa da ka direction ang giagi dili kon two-way. So ang right action ani is drive only in indicated direction. So next is an no overtaking. Ano ni? Overtaking. So regulatory, ang meaning na ni is ang paglabay or pag sipot sa pikas or pag overtake is forbidden. So ang right action ini is to stay in your lane or stay in lane o do not overtake. So the part 2 of this my explanation is about traffic light. So the next is the red light. Ano ini siya? Red light. So red light is stop completely behind line. So stop ka kuno sa yon sa may pag mo turn ang red light, may crossing siya, crossing. May line siya nga na dapat mo stop ka nga na behind ng line. Wait for it to turn into green light. So next is the yellow light. Ano yung yellow light? Yellow light is prepare to stop and do not speed to cross. So mo prepare ka kuno pag stop and do not speed up to cross or di nimo apason dito paglabang adto sa pikas. Dapat maka-prepare to stop naka once mo turn yellow and yellow light. So next is an green light. Ano yung green light? So ang green light is proceed only if an intersection is clear. So meaning yan, if green light, pwede na ka mo labang. Pero make sure na an intersection is clear. So flashing red. Next is ang flashing red. So ini, kung mag-flash ini ang red light, i-treat nimo ini siya as stop. So stop, check, and go when it's safe. So next is an flashing yellow. Kung mag-flash ini ang yellow light, ang meaning yaon is caution, mo slow down ka or mo proceed ka carefully. So next is the pavement markings. So number 1 is the broken white line or ang ini. Amo ni ang broken white line. So ang broken white line is separate lanes yon siya. Pwede ka mo change ng lanes if safe. Next is the solid white line. Amo ni solid white line. So sa solid white line is do not cross or change ng lane. So dili ka kuno pwede mo cross or mo change ng lane. Ang dapat yon is yaon da ka sa imo lane. Stay in lane da kayon siya. So next is the double solid yellow line. So amo ini. So pasabot ini is no overtaking and no bawal ka mo overtake o bawal ka mo pass or mo passing from the either side. So next is the pedestrian line. So ano ini pedestrian line. So pasabot na niya is crosswalk or yield fully to people walking. So amo ang pasabot nan pedestrian lane rather. So next is the directional arrows. So amo ini yaon niya di. Amo ini ang directional arrows yaon. Naman siya. So, ang kanini is dapat imo siya i-follow kung mo turn o mo straight ka or straight an arrow. I-follow nimo siya kung straight or mo turn. Kay kung ini siya, no wrong lane ini siya. Waray mali na lane nga di. So, next is an bicycle lane. Amo ini ang bicycle lane. Yun. So, kung ini siya, reserved only for bikes. Bawalin ang motor o sakyanan. So, para lagi din sa bike lane, mga bike demo agi nga di. So that will be all sir and good day.